Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a video about how to make chocolate Easter eggs because it is Easter very soon. What you want to do here is just melt the chocolate to put in the Easter eggs. So you're going to need some food colouring for the different textures and like colours. So we're using blue, pink, and yellow. Now we have to check if the chocolate is melting and check on it every time just to see. And then you can just check the chocolate, and my chocolate is currently liquid, so yep, that's good. And now we're going to go and get ready for the next step. So on this step you will need the bowls for all to put everything in, and the spoons. And now you have to empty all of it out and in every one, and then put the artificial colours in. So you just need to put the food colouring in all of them, and the red one, and then mix it right, and the red one and the yellow one got a bit clumpy, so don't have clumps in yours, and so we'll do that for next time. And we only got 2.5 chocolates out of this. I ordered the hot one, so we only have 2 now, but 2 of them for a whole block of white chocolate. So next time you may need like about 10 blocks, which I know is a lot, but if you want to get it perfect, well, that's how you do it. at the end here, I was just cleaning up and I kind of left it. So I'm going to say bye to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Give this a like and subscribe. Bye!